Welcome to this tutorial on Python integer functions. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most commonly used functions for working with integers in Python. Let's start with the int function. This function converts a string or a number to an integer. For example, int returns 123 as an integer. Another useful function is abs. This function returns the absolute value of a number. For example, abs returns 5. The divmod function returns both the quotient and remainder of dividing two numbers. For example, divmod returns, which means that 10 divided by 3 is 3 with a remainder of 1. The pow function raises a number to a power. For example, pow returns 8, which is 2 raised to the power of 3. These are just a few of the many integer functions available in Python. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in introducing you to some of the most commonly used functions for working with integers in Python.